Hi, good day. M6324. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Good day. My name is Elizabeth Clemente. I'm 29 years old. I am married with no children. I am live in Gango, Artilim, Zamboanga, Sibugay, or in Philippines. And I am college graduate. I took a Bachelor of Elementary Education, and I have 3 years experience as a housemaid and a nanny here in the Philippines. And I do a house chores like cleaning the house, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, marketing, and tutoring children.
Okay, so you are the one who took care of the children, which is 2 and 5 years old, but you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, right?
Yes, sir.
But my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Do you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby? Do you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I check the baby. I check the temperature of the baby, sir, and her tummy and their diapers if they're full.
Okay, and if the baby won't stop to cry after you did all of your best, you check the diaper, you change you change it, you feed the baby, you also check the temperature, maybe the baby is sick, but won't stop to cry, what will you do?
I call the parents immediately, sir, and
Oh,
seek for help.
okay, that's the right thing you should do because maybe only the parents will help you what to do to the baby to make it stop to cry, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work to Hong Kong to earn money and to have a better living support to my family.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I'm looking for a long-term employer.
So it is okay to you to extended your contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but you have to finish first your contract, and after that, if your employer wants you to extend, it is okay with you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
I know a little, sir, but uh, only Filipino dish, more in Filipino dish.
More in Filipino dish, but it is okay to you to learn.
Yes, sir.
And how will you learn to cook?
Guiding by YouTube and books,
Oh, books like recipe books.
recipe books.
Okay, and also if you got an employer in Hong Kong, you could ask them if they could teach you how to prepare, right? Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share job with other helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Sharing jobs with other helper.
Yes, sir.
How about to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yes, sir.
Taking care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly, helping them go to bed, to the bathroom?
No, sir.
You don't have experience.
Yes, sir.
So, you don't have an experience, but you could try, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, I promise to be honest, trustworthy, obedient, and hardworking. And mm I promise that I will take good care of your home and your family with respect and dedication.
Okay, can you also promise that you will take good care of your children as your own children
Yes,
and
sir.
also follow the rules and regulations of their house?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Elizabeth. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. I hope to see you soon.
Okay.